Hi and welcome to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and I help you to level up your digital life. Today I will show you two more Apple Pencil alternatives that will save you around $100 compared to the Apple Pencil. However, I want to make something clear before I start showing them. All the Apple Pencil alternatives I showed you on this channel so far are alternatives, not a replacement. So far, there are no third-party styluses that will support pressure sensitivity or shading or even the convenient way to connect and charge your stylus with your iPad the way the Apple Pencil does it. If you can live without any of these features, then you have a vast catalog of options to choose from, where you even can save a lot of money. If you're an artist, however, and working in apps like Procreate, then I highly recommend an Apple Pencil instead, no matter the cost, because it still gives you the best experience and control on your iPad when drawing. In my opinion, for simple note-taking, the third-party alternatives are good enough. And none of the common note-taking apps like Notability, GoodNotes or NoteShelf support pressure sensitivity or shading at all. Only Apple's own note-taking app does it. For this reason, I use an add-on Note Plus for my iPad Mini 5 that I use to take handwritten notes on conferences or meetings. How I use this stylus with my iPad Mini you can check out in this video. Most of the styluses you can buy to date work great with any of the latest iPad versions. No latency issues, a great feel to handwrite. I also showed to you in one of my recent videos the add-on Note M that even can work as a mouse replacement. Check out this video if you want to see it in action. This is an alternative that offers some other functionality than the Apple Pencil does. So it really comes down to what you really need in your daily work with using your iPad. However, there's one thing that is important to any stylus, which is palm rejection. If the stylus you want to use has no palm rejection, then don't even bother. You won't be happy using it. So with this out of the way, let's have a look at the cheapest alternatives that still provide palm rejection, and why it doesn't matter what company you buy those from, we will find out after the intro. Let's roll it! Those two styluses are from a company called Timovo. They sent it over to me for free. However, this is not a paid review. Be ensured that I won't be any less critical. Why? Well, because I have no connection to this company. In fact, I don't care even what company it is from, because this is, like many other third-party styluses, a white-labeled product. So what does this mean? This means I could get this too and sell it on Amazon, calling it Tom Solid's Awesome Stylus. How? Test it for yourself. Simply go to alibaba.com, enter Apple Pencil and see for yourself what comes up. So here you see it, the exact same stylus for just $16.99 if I buy at least two of them. Timovo and all the other brands sell it for $33 on Amazon. In fact, I could buy a few thousands of them, branded Tom Solid's Awesome Stylus and sell them by myself, convincing you that I have a unique, awesome product there. But this would be just a lie. And this is something that has no place in my brand. So looking at the price difference on Alibaba compared to for how much they sell it on Amazon, then you might think, oh, they make around 100% profit here. However, don't forget that they have to pay toll, packaging, the charger, branding, shipping and so on. Nevertheless, for a product you don't produce yourself, the margin is still pretty high, right? So I hope this helped you to better understand when you see all these brands on Amazon showing nearly the same product. In fact, it is the same product. And the next time when you're looking for a stylus and you're struggling to pick the right one, don't worry too long. Just pick any of the brands. You will get the same product anyway. If this was new to you, make sure that you share this video with your friends and let them know about it, and give it a thumbs up to let me know you agree. Now let's have a look at the Timovo stylus. Looking at the packaging, I see the first mistake. Note-taking instead of note-taking. Don't like this. But of course, I'm less annoyed on a cheap product than I would be getting a $129 Apple Pencil. This stylus works without any Bluetooth. So all you need to do is switch it on and it's ready to go. Just ensure that you disconnect your Apple Pencil before using it, otherwise it won't work. Okay, as you can see, using it in note-taking apps, it works very well. And also in Procreate, it works great. The good thing is, it has the same form factor as the Apple Pencil 2, so I can snap it to my iPad Pro the same way. Timeovo also provided me an alternative that looks like the Apple Pencil 1, with the difference that it has a physical eraser on top. Well, it works like a thumb stylus and replicates your finger. This means in any app where you can change the function on a finger different from your stylus, it will work the same way. One example would be in Procreate to smudge with your finger. Well, there's not much more to say. Yes, it works without any issues. Do I need it? No, because for my iPad Pro I will use the Apple Pencil 2 instead. Why? Because I use the iPad Pro mainly to draw and I like the convenience for the direct connection and charging of my Apple Pencil via the magnets. As I said in the beginning of this video, this stylus is enough for most people using their iPad solely for note-taking, but not enough if you want to do professional drawings or you prefer to have the convenience to charge your stylus by simply attaching it to your iPad Pro using the Apple Pencil 2. If you haven't already and you think this was useful, subscribe to this channel. Then make sure you hit the notification bell so I can catch you up next time.